to use your glucometer.
Gather your supplies and set up in a clean surface. You will need blood glucose monitor, lensing device, new lens set, and test strips. Alcohol swab is required if you do not have access to soap and water. Step 1. Wash your hands with soap and water. Dry them very well. Step 2. If you do not have access to hand washing, clean finger with alcohol swab. Ensure the testing area is completely dry. Step 3. Check the test strips expiry date. Step 4. Take out the test strips and close the test strips container immediately to prevent contamination of the strips. Step 5. Insert the test strip correctly. The meter will turn on automatically. Step 6. Look for flashing drop symbol. Step 7. Insert lens set into lensing device accordingly to instruction given in the user manual. If you are using different types of lensing device, follow the instructions that come with it. Step 8. Adjust the depth of needle according to skin thickness. Step 9. Position lensing device against the side of finger and press the button. Step 10. A drop of blood should appear. Touch the tip of test strips to the drop of blood. Do not put the blood on top of the test strips. Step 11. The meter will show your blood sugar level within seconds. Take note of the blood sugar level on the screen. Step 12. Apply dry swab over punctured site till bleeding stops. Step 13. Remove or eject the test strips according to user manual. Step 14. Do not throw lens set directly into regular rubbish bin. Discard lens set carefully into a hard plastic container with a tight fitting lid. Label container clearly and seal the container securely during disposal. You can purchase sharp containers from selected pharmacy. Keep the container out of reach of children. Step 15. Record your blood sugar results and show it to your healthcare provider.